Today we'll show you how to replace the broken back glass of an iPhone XR. So let's get started. First, we'll use a laser machine to remove the glue underneath the broken glass. To do that, we need to select the iPhone XR model on the computer and then start the laser process. Once the process starts, it will remove the glass step by step. After the process is finished, it will be shown on the computer screen. Now, using the separator tool, we'll make a small crack on the glass. Then we'll use the glass lifter to start removing the glass from the cracked area. Slowly, we'll lift and remove the entire glass piece by piece. Then we'll clean it in such a way that no broken glass pieces or dirt remain, making it completely clean. Now we'll take the new glass and peel off the adhesive sticker. Finally, we'll align it properly, press it gently to secure, and the process is complete. Thank you.